always do all these things for you.
So I just want to say a few tips for laminating your brows. Have everything that you need ready. The saran wrap, the spoolie, and something to get the product out. I think it comes with things, but I've been having it so long, I've kind of lost them all. Again, you're going to do step 1, perm. Step 2, like the fixation. Step 3 is where you kind of wipe it off, clear it all, clean it up. And then step 4, you can put some oil. You can wash your face if you want to. Maybe not right after. Don't wash your face right after. But yeah, these are my brows. Now I did go ahead and put a little brow wax in it. And the brow wax that I use is by Benefits Cosmetics. It is the Fluff Up Brow Wax. And this is what the brows are looking like. Hope you enjoy. Let me start by saying, be more prepared than me. So I'm using my lash lift kit. This, y'all, you can tell by how it look. This done got some wear and tear. So I'm using my lash lift kit to laminate my brows because essentially it's the same. So I'm going in with step 1 and I'm applying, which is pretty much equivalent to like a perm on the brows. And I'm not going to start shaping it until I at least get a good amount on there. Then I'll start to shape the brows. And let's see. I'm putting this on both sides. Hopefully you can see. I'm literally scraping this out. It's time for me to get a new one. So this is like the little bottle. It's definitely time for a new one. I've had this for a while. So, child, not me just putting this. If you anything like me and miss everything, just wipe it off. I started doing laminating my brows, doing lash lift on my eyelashes, tinting my brows. Even went as far as tinting my eyelashes. That one was a little bit more dangerous. So that I will definitely get done professionally. I just had to try it once, but pretty much I try to make sure that I do enough at-home maintenance because I do have things that I like to pay for and do. So it's not financially feasible to just pay for everything. Or at least not for me, and not in this economy where inflation is extremely high. So you can see me applying this. Now once I get all of the perm on, I'm going to go in with the little spoolie and we're going to start to brush the hairs up. You can't see it on this side, but don't worry, I'm doing it on this side. And we're just going to brush the hairs up. Okay. Again, anywhere that you've got additional product, you're just going to wipe it off. But we are brushing the hairs up. I'm brushing the hairs up. Sorry, I'm going to use my viewfinder. Alright. After this, we are going to apply our saran wrap. Like so. And we're going to wait the allotted time, which I think is like 3 to 5 minutes. I've had this for so long. So we're just going to set a timer for like 3 minutes and we'll come back. So it's been 3 minutes. I'm going to show y'all. I have not wiped it off yet. This is what it's looking like. They are permed, honey. Perm. So now I'm going to go through and wipe it off. Wiping it in up motion. Alright. Then we're going to go in with step 2, which is the blue bottle. And I do have this link for when I tinted my brows in one of my videos. I put the link to this kit. So when you have links, all that means is that we just making it convenient for you to just click on there. They give us some type of percentage. I don't know what, because you know, I don't think nobody's ever used my link. But if somebody ever use it, I will definitely let you know. I don't think it's just like some grand amount, but everything count when you're trying to try out stuff and make videos. I feel like that's why, well, let me speak for myself. That's why I have the links and I do the affiliates with like different products that I may find. Most of it is going to be on Amazon. It just helps for, you know, some of the videos I want to create, so I'm not always coming out of my pocket. But I do enjoy creating videos. But don't worry, I definitely come out of my pocket. Not just for YouTube, but just in general, because your girl like to shop. So I'm just putting this step 2, which is the blue fixation on the brows, and then I'm going to go in with the spoolie again, and then I'm going to brush it up. I wish I could put the camera like right there and still be able to see. Oop. Hopefully that wasn't too loud. All right, I can use the viewfinder. Focus, and we're brushing up. Yes, sir. Okay. So I realized that I do like certain things, but then again, I do like to keep my coins in my bank account. And we are in a recession. The economy ain't doing so great. So if I had to figure out a way to kind of balance it all out, and so what I discovered is some things I could just do at home. Like, as much as the convenience of having someone do it, I could do it at home. Now, if it's something that's kind of dangerous that may cost me my life or limb, I'm gonna go to somebody. So anything involving the eyes, outside of me doing my lash lift, I'm gonna go to somebody. So you see me just brushing this up. Oh yes, this is gonna create those fluffy brows. I was about to say vowels. All right. So once you have that like that, what we're gonna do is put that saran wrap back on. So I'm gonna find the side I originally did it. I'm gonna turn it around because we're not about to use a whole bunch of saran wrap. That stuff costs money, okay? And we're gonna press it, and then we're gonna wait 3 minutes. So we'll be back in 3 minutes. All right, so it has been 3 minutes. We're gonna take this off. And this is what the brows are looking like. If you're happy with these results, you're gonna wipe it off. If you feel like, oh, my brows need a little bit more, you'll leave it on for a little bit more. But I am pretty happy with the results. So what I'm gonna do is take a cotton swab, and this is the Shiseido little wipes, and I put some toner on there, and I'm just gonna wipe it off. So this is my way of saving money and spending time with myself and you guys too, because you know we on here together. But yes, I also do my own nails at home. Sometimes I'll get it done if I don't really have the time and I'm in a time crunch, or is a certain look or design I'm going for, because I'm not there. And then I'm gonna take a clean spoolie and I'm just gonna brush up, you guys. And now we have some fluffy brows. Hopefully it focused. There we go. Now if you want, you can kind of bring them back in the fold. I like either way, honestly. This is going to help out a lot with some of my unruly hairs. Hold on. I got to look in the mirror, y'all. Look. Work with me. Let me look in the mirror, okay? Oh, yeah. That's it right there. Yeah, so this definitely helps out with some of my hairs that are a little rough around the edges. But yeah, brows laminated. Now we're on to the next task at hand. Bye.